Perhaps you may have seen in program notes a line that read something like, "The composer's use of suspension and resolution added to the tension of this moment in the music." And you may have thought, what are they talking about? So let's demystify this concept. Just what is being suspended and what is being resolved? I'm George Mariner Mall, Artistic Director of the Discovery Orchestra, here with Discovery Chat 31, Suspension and Resolution. However early this practice may have appeared, certainly by 1600 this device was being widely used by composers. So let's take a look. If we have two simple two-pitch chords, so let's get them up and running. Here's the first chord consisting of two pitches. And we want to progress to a second chord consisting of two pitches right below the first one. Normally, we would do this. But what if we wanted to add some emotional tension in this little musical transaction? We know we can create tension by playing a dissonance or a clash of pitches. So, what might be an easy way to accomplish this? Instead of proceeding directly to the next two-pitch chord, how about we suspend the bottom pitch of the first chord, that is, play it again, or simply sustain it while only the top pitch moves to the next, like this. Now we've achieved that dissonance, the tension. And if we then resolve the bottom pitch of the first chord that we've been suspending to the bottom pitch of the second chord, there, we achieve release. So the first chord, move the top pitch down, but suspend the bottom pitch and then resolve. We get to that second chord arrival. Suspension and resolution is a wonderful tension and release mechanism to use in music. Now, we may have touched on this before, but if not, emotional tension and release is something that composers are often attempting to affect in the listener. And they do this in a myriad of ways, employing all of the elements of music: rhythm, melody, harmony, texture, dynamics, timbre, and form. So I'll leave you with a little descending sequence, which we will remember is a repetition of a musical idea on successively lower starting pitches. Again, here's a descending sequence. Okay? We're going to make a descending sequence of suspensions and resolutions, helping us to arrive at some new tonal destination, like a train leaving from one station and arriving at another. But because of suspensions and resolutions along the way, offering us tiny little moments of tension and release as we progress. See you next time.